Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode, and we're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Right now Bitcoin is testing a major support. It's dumping again, which is not good, because if we had broken out and continued up, we could have gone bullish, but this got rejected off a major trend line. Not good news for Bitcoin. We're going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen in 15 minutes. So after you watch this video, 5 minutes after, OKX is going to be launching Fame token. Fame is the token that I talked about a month ago, I think. I bought a lot of Fame in seed investing, and Fame is a token. Fame is Fame MMA, so it's one of the biggest MMAs in Europe. And now they're going to be launching a token called $Fame, the ticker $Fame, on OKX in about 15 minutes. So right after this video, go to OKX and watch the launch of Fame. You could have got in the pre-seed round in Tencent. I talked about this a while ago. Now it's going to go on the public launch in about 15 minutes on Fame, on OKX. Hit the subscribe button, join 73,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. We had this breakout and then rejection, so it's not looking so good. This is the price of Bitcoin moving for the last few days since the 11th of April. If you've been following my videos, we went up to 42k, came down, bounced 40k, bounced 37k. So we're in a tight range here between 37k and 42k. We're ranging in this area. But right now we broke out of this descending triangle. We had a descending triangle here. This was bullish. And yesterday we broke above it, and now we've come back into it. So most likely coming back down, we're going to come back down to 37,000. This point here of the triangle, the descending triangle. If we don't get a bounce, if we can get a bounce right now, if we can get a bounce right now in this candle, coming down to 37,500 at 300. If we can get a bounce on this candle, which finishes in 2 hours, if we can get it closed back above, we can remain bullish, because we broke out, we tested with volume and bounce. The only issue, no volume is coming in. So it's looking like it's going to fail, most likely then coming down to 37,300 here. We are on a point of major support, but as you can see on the bigger time frame, this area where we got rejected, it was actually not smart for me to go long yesterday, because if we zoom out, this is the daily. You're watching each of these candles represents one day, and you're watching Bitcoin moving for the whole year since January, and we've been moving in this channel here, this channel. And so Bitcoin yesterday, it broke a few days ago, broke underneath the channel, so it went bearish. And if it doesn't get back above 33,000 will be the target. But we came back yesterday and we tried to test that channel, and we actually broke through and then got rejected. So I should have waited to go long after we got a bounce with volume, then gone long. It was not smart to go long at this resistance. I made a mistake there. But right now we're back underneath this channel and we got rejected. If we don't come back above this channel, it's not looking good. 33,000 will be the target. So right now is a dangerous point for Bitcoin. Again, if we can close this 2 hourly candle in the next 2 hours back above, this will be very bullish. Then we can start moving, but we need volume and we need to close above to confirm that bullishness. If we don't, it would be good to actually close my trades, because Bitcoin could be dropping from 39,000 where we are right now to 37,200. Right now my trades are in the negative, but only if we can't close this candle below. It doesn't look good though. The MACD is closing towards the downside on the 4 hourly. Stochastic has a lot more to drop. RSI is turning down, so it's all looking bearish for Bitcoin right now. Not volume coming in. EMA ribbons, we're back underneath. We broke above the EMA ribbons. Right now I got to be shorting every time we're above the EMA ribbons to short, because we are on a downtrend, and until we break above the EMA ribbons, it will be better to short each movement that breaks above EMA, because right now we're on a downtrend. We're back below the EMA ribbons. Let's see if this 2 hourly candle can close back above. VPVR, we have a lot of support down here, but the major support was at that top area of 39k. Crypto Guru bot still fired a sell. It hasn't fired a buy. Bitcoin indicator bot has fired a buy, not yet a sell. So it looks like downside. On the hourly, let's go close up. RSI is heading down. Stochastic is now oversold on the stochastic. MACD is turning to head further down, so it does look like more to go. The only issue, I would normally close my trade because there's no volume here, but the hourly candle has closed underneath it on this 8 minutes. If we can get back up over the 8 minutes, that would be bullish. But right now it's not looking too good. We are though on a major support. That's also why I'm not yet closing my trades. We're on a major support here, and you can see that by this line here where we're sitting, 39,150. If you go back, if this line, this support goes back a long time, you can see it goes back to all the way to beginning of 2021. We were at this support line at the 39k. Here we have a lot of support at the 39k. Here we have support at the 39k. So here here, so much support is here. Look at how much support. So I am expecting that we could get a bounce because of that major support areas that are here. But if we don't get a bounce, 37,300 will be the target. I'm not closing my longs yet, and I'm not yet going short because of this major support, but this was a big rejection of this channel. So I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video in the description and pin comment down below, if you sign up to Bybit, you get $4,600 of sign up bonuses. When you go down in the comment section underneath this video in the description or comment, sign up to Bybit, $4,600 worth of sign up bonuses. When you sign up and deposit Bitcoin in Bybit, on Femex you get $4,100, and NordVPN if you have any country restrictions. I mainly use Bybit because it's in one of the best exchanges in my opinion. Over on Bybit here, I've got almost $208,000 $207,779. It dropped around $2,200 yesterday on this Bitcoin drop. I've got USDT 96,000. I've got one Bitcoin in here, and I've got $29,000 of BIT, which has also pulled back, and I've got $9,400 of CRV. CRV taking a big hit. My Bitcoin trade is now negative $500, down 25% yesterday. The stop loss is at 37,500, which would be a $1,400 loss. I could close this in the loss, but I think we're on a major support, so I am going to keep my long open. This was the long that I opened yesterday. The long opened from here. It opened at 39,800. The stop loss is at 37,300, and take profit is at 50,000. If it heads up, that I'm risking $2,500 to make $10,000 of profit. So a nice ratio trade if it goes to the upper end of this channel. But we did break down now, so I would wait to go long on Bitcoin till after it goes back above this, bounces, and then starts to head up towards the 50K. But we're on a major area of support here, so I don't know. I'm not going to close my trade yet. I'll leave the trade open. If it comes down below 37,300, it will automatically close the trade, and then it'll hit the stop loss. So let's see what happens. Fame MMA is about to launch as well, so pay attention to this. Over on OKX, Fame is going to launch their token. It hasn't gone live yet, but trading is going to start in about 15. It will go. You'll be able to see the trade right now. I don't think you can see it, but in 15 minutes it will be showing once you type in Fame over on OKX. So at 2 p.m. Dubai time, it's going to be going live, the trading for Fame. So very important cryptocurrency that is launching, the MMA one. Also here you can see this is a dangerous warning on Bitcoin. The last time these moving averages crossed, you can see here when they crossed back in on the 3-day time frame 2015, Bitcoin had a 50% drop, and here we had another cross in 2019 when Bitcoin had another 50% drop, and right now we're about to have this moving average cross right now, so it could be quite dangerous for Bitcoin here. These are some characters from Magicraft coming to life. The Magicraft MCRT is the gameplay to earn game. This is a comment best video, mate. You do TA like you're eating a piece of cake. I also opened a short of Bitcoin. Let's see how it plays out. Me waking up at 4 a.m. checking my cryptos. James loving the videos as always. This was the winner of 200 USD. Congratulations, Scottish. This is what's going to be introducing with the Magicraft NFTs. So go over to magicraft.io and pay attention. This is a Tesla wrapped with the Magicraft symbols. Man, you called it on Facebook. Facebook having a massive pump yesterday, which is beautiful. So Fame is about to launch in 15 minutes. Bitcoin is at a major area of support here. Let's hope it holds. I would most likely would be better to go into USDT right now until Bitcoin makes its decision, but we are on a major support, so I'm going to be holding open the trade. Hit the subscribe button, join 73,000 people, smash up some thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and we'll see you all again tomorrow.